Good work, Speedy. Don't worry, Speedy. No fire is too hot for my anti-flambe ray.
Way to go, Lanterman! Planetary wildfire crisis averted!
Thanks, Marcia Starfighter. Just keeping the galaxy safe.
Vortex of Venus! My emergency alert system indicates that Sunnytown, California is experiencing a wildfire of its own. Naomi and Lorenzo are in the danger zone.
Light a fire under that shell, Speedy. We have people to help. To Saturn, then
Lanterman, wait! Earth is a Class 5 planet. You'll need to blend in.
Roger that, Marcia. Activate disguise ray.
Genius! Assume identity of first responder, Larry.
To Saturn, then the stars.
Naomi, I'm so glad we did this no electronics weekend. I really needed to unplug.
You know that means cell phones, not guitar amps, right?
What can I say? I want to keep things low-key and stress-free.
Huh? Greetings, citizens. You need to evacuate immediately. The Canard La Flambe fire has spread, and this whole area has been deemed too dangerous. If you rely on life-sustaining, non-portable medical devices, then you should go straight to the nearest hospital.
Evacuation? We need to pack up all of our stuff. Naomi, can you pack up my guitars and I'll start clearing the bookshelf?
No time for that. Just grab your wallets, cell phones, IDs, important documents, and maybe laptops, chargers, and a change of clothes.
How much time do we have?
There's no time to waste. Only grab your essentials and leave immediately.
Right. Essentials only. Let's not forget our medicine, babe. Oh, and my box of photos. Can't replace those.
Can we just go back to my place at Sunny Oaks?
Afraid not. The Sunny Oaks area has been safely evacuated. Your nearest evacuation center is on Main and Elm. Do you need any transportation assistance?
No thanks, we're good.
The shelter should have everything else you need, like food and hygiene supplies.
Thank you.
Just doing my job, ma'am.
Hey, Venus.
Hi, Paulina. I'm so glad you're safe.
Is this where I check in?
Mm-hmm. Good job remembering your wallet card, sister.
Of course. Hey, do you have any water?
We sure do.
Thank you.
Hey, Lorenzo. I'm so glad you guys are safe, man.
Wow. Venus, did you set all this up?
No, not me. The entire community. We got everything you need. Food, water, medical support, blankets, and restrooms.
Hello, citizen. Your girlfriend's home is safe. The fire's been partially contained.
All right.
That's awesome news. We had to get out of there in such a hurry.
You should totally, keep your important stuff together in one place, just in case you ever need to evacuate again.
It's always good to be prepared. But in the meantime, I think these folks could use some cheering up.
Righteous!
My guitar? Thanks, man. Oh, I'm on it. I wish I had my amp.
First responder turtle?
Whoa!
Heck yeah.
Speedy, our work here is done.
Who was that guy? Another successful mission. Thanks to you, Naomi and Lorenzo are prepared in case of an evacuation. Now they know, if you're told to evacuate, you must cooperate, and fast. You should be prepared with transportation and important items to take with you in case of an emergency, like your wallet, medicine, cell phone, laptop, emergency cash or credit cards.
And evacuation centers are places where you can find help, comfort, and community too. Remember, good citizens, prepare today for a safe tomorrow. And if you need any support, contact your regional center. To Saturn, then the stars!